Welcome to the Crazy Hat Chemist. So here we go again today, another video on bonding. We're going to be talking about a coordinate covalent bond. So let's get going. Bam! So a coordinate covalent bond is when one atom contributes or shares both of its electrons into the coordinate covalent bond. Okay, so let's figure out what does this. Carbon monoxide is a perfect example of a molecule that has a coordinate covalent bond. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to look at CO, that's carbon monoxide. We're going to look at our periodic table and determine the number of valence electrons in carbon and in oxygen, and that's 4 and 6 respectively. Okay, so carbon has 4 valence electrons, oxygen has 6 valence electrons. We're going to draw Lewis dots for each of the carbon and the oxygen respectively with the appropriate number of dots. So carbon has 4 dots. The dots for the carbon are designated in white. Oxygen has 6 dots. The dots for the oxygen are designated in yellow. Just arbitrarily, white and the yellow really doesn't matter. So in order to form a covalent bond, what's going to happen is there's going to be a sharing of electrons here. And you should see that there's a white dot and a yellow dot representing electrons that are going to combine together, and that's going to form a covalent bond. This is not a coordinate covalent bond. This is a covalent bond. Well, if you put a circle around each the oxygen and the carbon, you know that neither one of them has an octet quite now, but they both need an octet. So what's going to happen is I'm going to bring in another electron from oxygen and 1 electron from carbon, and that will give me still another covalent bond, but not yet a coordinate covalent bond. So you should see that there's 1 yellow, 1 white one for the coordinate covalent bond. That's actually a double bond. But that carbon is still lacking an octet, and I need an octet for that carbon as well. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to move over both of these electrons. This is going to be the coordinate covalent bond. So I'm going to move in both of the electrons from the oxygen. Do you see these 2 yellow electrons? They're going to be dropped into and shared with the carbon. And that right there, that is a coordinate covalent bond when one atom contributes both electrons to the bond. That's a coordinate covalent bond. I hope you enjoyed that day of chemistry. I am a chemist. I hope you have a great day. Give me a thumbs up if you like that video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you next time for ionic compounds and their properties.